Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use hyaluronic acid nose pore strips. First, begin by thoroughly cleansing your face. This step is crucial to remove any makeup, dirt, or excess oils that could prevent the strip from working effectively. Next, wet your nose with warm water. This helps to open up your pores and ensures the pore strip adheres properly to your skin. Make sure your nose is damp, but not overly wet, for the best application. Now, let's apply the strip. Carefully peel the hyaluronic acid nose pore strip from its plastic backing. Try to avoid touching the adhesive side too much. Position the smooth side of the strip onto your damp nose, aligning it with the contours of your nose. Gently press down firmly, starting from the center and working outwards. This helps to eliminate any air bubbles and ensures the strip makes full contact with your skin, maximizing its effectiveness. Once applied, it's time to let the strip do its work. Allow the pore strip to dry and harden on your nose for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it feels stiff and dry to the touch. Avoid leaving it on for too long, as this won't necessarily improve results and could cause irritation. When the time is up, slowly and carefully peel the strip off, starting from the outer edges and pulling towards the center of your nose. After removing the strip, rinse your nose with cool water. This helps to close your pores and remove any lingering residue from the strip. Follow up by applying a gentle, hydrating moisturizer to soothe your skin and replenish moisture. Your skin might feel a little sensitive, so choose a product without harsh ingredients. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you feeling refreshed. Consistent hydration is key for healthy skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.